This week we're celebrating National Apprenticeship Week here at Mercedes-Benz South West, so we wanted to take the chance to introduce you to the many opportunities we have available. From our technical team to HR and marketing, we work in partnership with both Exeter College and Mercedes-Benz Cars UK. There are many benefits to choosing an apprenticeship with us, from working with a worldwide leading automotive brand to gaining hands-on experience with a Mercedes-Benz qualified technician. We champion the opportunity our apprenticeships give us to help develop and shape the skill set of our young employees, whilst providing them with the chance to kickstart a long and rewarding career with us. Check out our apprenticeship videos on our YouTube channel or take a look at our latest careers video on our Mercedes-Benz South West website for more information on what opportunities we have available.